Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Navy Federal Online, secure access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Navy Federal website URL. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure that both entries are accurate to avoid login issues. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the respective link for assistance. After entering your credentials, review them for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the login button to access your account. If it's your first time logging in, you may need to complete additional security steps. Follow any prompts provided to verify your identity. Upon successful login, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the available features. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or try a different browser. For further support, visit the Help section of the Navy Federal website. This completes your login process to Navy Federal Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.